Hello friends, and welcome to this very short video. In this very short video we are going to see how to use some basic logical functions. And then I don't want to waste much time because this is a very basic formula that we're going to use. So looking at this table in particular, we have a number of columns here. So let me see. Okay, we have the total children column here. And then if we take a look at it, we have the figures 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5, trying to explain the number of children per each customer. So we can base our logic on this column and say if the number of children for each customer is greater than 0, that means the customer is a parent, logically. So how do we go about that? So I have a column here that I did. And as you can see, it's already no, no, no. Let's take a look about the formula. So we have AdventureWorks here. Our first formula is the if formula, which is the logical text, the logical function. So within the logical function, we have the condition. So the condition is if AdventureWorks table column total children is greater than 0, therefore yes, the person is a parent. And if the condition checks false, no, the person is not a parent. That's the reason why you are seeing no, no, no here. Should we sort this table by a number that checks the condition to be true? You are going to see yes, yes, yes over here, telling you if the if condition is used as a logical statement to draw true and results from a statement based on a logical text, which is a column, right? So let's take a look at a different one, a bit complex one. And from our very basic programming knowledge, we know logical functions works well with and in all statement. And then we have our day of the week, starting from 1 to starting from 1 up to 7. So in our previous video, we used the AdventureWorks weekday formula, depending on the weekday to determine the number of the number per day within the week. So we saw that first from our formula, Sundays are number 1, starting from number 1, and then Saturday ends with number 2. So what can we make out of this statement? What we can do is we can use a conditional statement to point out which day within these numbers falls on a weekday and which one falls on a weekend. So let's go ahead and create a new column. Okay. New column. So we say weekend. And then we use the if statement, if, followed by a logical text, which is AdventureWorks calendar day of the week. And at this time around, we are looking at the weekends within the week, depending on the number per day, right? So our logical test will be day of the week, AdventureWorks day of the week. If AdventureWorks day of the week is equals to 1, no, this I'm not looking for this one. Right. Or adventure. Okay, let me type the formula. When I'm done, I will go through with you. So what this simple formula is doing that, let me start from here. We are creating a weekend column, and then based on the condition. So if Adventure West calendar day of the week, here is day of the week, is equals to 1, which is a Sunday, or Adventure West calendar day of the week is equals to 7, which is a Saturday. If it checks true, print is weekend. If it checks false, print is weekday. Right, so let me go ahead and click on enter. And there we have it. Sunday is a weekend, Monday is a weekday. This is very simple. We could have used the query editor window to do this, but let me show you. I think I did it in one of my previous videos. Um, the new look is giving me a problem. Okay. I did sources. Where is it? Okay, right. I've seen it. So transform data in the Power Query BI query edit window. Right. So here we could have just used add column and then a conditional column. But the thing is, we will be wasting a lot of time trying to create a conditional statement for every number. So using the Power BI dash formulas, things get very simple, and then whether it's just a simple line of formula, you are good to go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.